Hey everyone! Welcome back to channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 smartphones you can get in India for under 15,000 Indian rupees in 2024. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or just looking for great value, these phones have got you covered. So, let's get started. First up, we have the Realme Narzo 65G. This phone features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. It comes with options of 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of storage, which is expandable. The Narzo 65G boasts a 50MP main camera paired with a 2MP depth sensor and a 16MP front camera. Plus, it has a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. Next, we've got the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. This phone sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making for a smooth visual experience. Under the hood, it's equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. You can choose between 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of expandable storage. The camera setup includes a 108MP main shooter, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, with a 16MP front camera. The battery is a robust 5000 mAh with 33W fast charging support. Coming in at number 3, it's the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. This phone features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It runs on the Exynos 1280 processor and offers 6GB or 8GB of RAM along with 128GB of expandable storage. The Galaxy M34 5G has a triple camera setup with a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera. On the front, there's a 13MP camera, and it's backed by a huge 6000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. Fourth on our list is the Poco X5 Lite 5G. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset. With 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage, it's quite the performer. The camera setup includes a 48MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera, with a 16MP front camera. The battery is a 5000 mAh unit with an impressive 67W fast charging capability. And finally, we have the Infinix Zero Ultra. This one comes with a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor and comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Infinix Zero Ultra features a 108MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP front camera. Its battery capacity is 4500 mAh, but it supports an incredible 180W fast charging, so you're never waiting long to get back to using your phone.